Oké, we gaan verder met muziek. Laat die mannen voor me vechten. Oké, are you ready for the evil force? Oké, we gaan verder met hakken en zagen. Jongens, bedankt, ik kom later weer terug. Evil Force Live, Mysteryworld, 96. Come on!
Oké dan. Evil Force. Highly Fanatical.
Hardcore. I'm Fanatical. Hardcore. Hardcore.
Wait. Hardcore.
Hardcore.
N-E-W.
With the bass. Fooled you.
Highly fanatical.
Okay, done.
Highly fanatical. Hardcore.
En dan nu een beetje old school. De old style, come on. 160 BPM. showtime. Showtime. Force. Come on, clap your hands. Yeah. Underground is hardcore. Underground is hardcore. Hardcore. Old style. Okay, clap your hands.
Every time. Underground is hardcore. 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 hardcore, underground is hardcore, underground is hardcore.
Hardcore! Oh yeah, even force in the motherfucking house with the motherfucking underground, which is hardcore. Oh yeah. Motherfucking north side, come on! We got it going on with the north side hardcore. This is also from the north side, cool. Hard to the core, yeah. One, two, three, cool. Underground. This is underground. Hard. hardcore underground from the motherfucking north side. This is evil force. Come on, stand up. Come on. Oh yeah.
True to the same, every time.
That's motherfucking right. Underground is hardcore here in Sandam. Are we ready for something more fast than this shit? Clap your hands, party people. It started with a bass. Come on. That's right, y'all. Evil Force got the north side. We got the motherfucking hardcore. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time for a breakdown. Cool. Clap your hands, come on. Kick that shit out. Evil Force. We got the motherfucking hardcore. One, two, three, 4. Go on. With the hardcore. Oh yeah, with the north side. Feel the kick this motherfucking evil bass. Oh yeah, starting with a bass, that's right. Alright, it's time for the next one. On and on to the motherfucking break of dawn. That's right. On and on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, that's right. Kick that shit Oh yeah!
Skull-crushing headaches that make you feel like your brain's on fire. And then endless cacophony of voices. That runs on in your head until you would gladly blow out your own eyes with your bare hands.
If it would only
If it would only give you 1 single second of
blessed silence. Going on with the terror. Evil force got the underground style. Hardcore. Get that shit cool. Blessed silence. Evil force, we gotta rock it with a hardcore, running it out. We'll get you moving on the dance floor, bringing it out. We're gonna create the energy. With the 1, with the 2, with the 3, come on. On and on. Clap your hands, party people. Here is our dumb Mysteryworld. Oh yeah. On and on in your head. Oh yeah, it's party time. Come on. That's right.
Dance Radio.
it will only give you 1 single second of blessed silence.
That's right, 1 single second of blessed silence. But not this time. One more song for you. Animal music. Are you ready for some real hardcore shit? I can hear. Are you ready for some real hardcore shit? Okay then. Here we go. Going on and on. That's it! The real hardcore, come on!
What sweet music, finally.
Music! These animals! Here we go! Once again! Check this hardcore shit! Music. This is Animal Music. Laatste nummer voor jullie hier in Mysteryworld in Zaandam. Music. Those animals. Here we go once again. Click that shit. Going on with the music. This is the motherfucking terror. Oh yeah. Evil force in the motherfucking house.
Oké, dit was Evil Force. Ik wil een groot applaus voor Evil Force live. En mijn complimenten voor de MC. Hij was een gast MC, maar hij deed prima.